As a trader, it is not enough to have a good analysis. It is also important for you to know that your analysis must be as good as your entry, because the sole aim of analysis is for you to find a good entry, and as such you need a very good idea of what should give you an information, a sign or a signal for you to place your trade, and that is talking about entry. My name is Soji and you are welcome to Soji FOREX. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, we share informative and educative idea on how to trade the financial market. You can go through our previous video, as every video is an add-on to what we have done previously. Go through those videos, backtest those strategies on your demo account, and of course afterwards you know what to do with the strategies and with what you'll be learning. In today's video, we want to look at valid entry signals in trading the trend line. Okay, we established in our previous video that we need 2 points basically, which is point A, that we need point A and point B in order for us to connect our trend line. And having point A, point B, we have our trend line connected, which is what we are seeing, and which means we don't have entry here and we don't have entry here, because that is the point where we connect our trend line. But at this point is our first entry, and what happened, we will be patient enough to see price pull back into that zone, and here, just as you can see, price came down and pulled back into this zone. So what kind of candlestick are you looking for? You will be looking for a harami, just as you are seeing here. Is a candle that has equal bodies. You can see that this candle is the same as the next bearish candle, and of course this is a downtrend. We are looking for a bearish signal for us to have our entry. Then immediately we have identified this second candle which gave us this signal. We will not make an entry first. We want to see a follow up candle, and as you can see, the next candle that was formed did not close above our signal, so we'll make our entry. So you look forward for a harami candlestick pattern. Another candlestick pattern we want to be looking for is a pin bar candlestick pattern. Just as you can see here, this is a pin bar, okay, and you can see the formation. The previous one has a little rejection, and then this one also has a second confirmation of this rejection. And what this pin bar is telling us is that before now, buyers has made attempt to pull price to the upside, and they couldn't go beyond this trend line, and then sellers came back, pushed price back, and they closed bearish, which proved to us that sellers are the one in control of this market. Of course, there is a first rejection on this bullish candle. This bearish candle closed as an evening star with that rejection. We have this confirmation, and that is a beautiful entry. And here we have another one again. You can see how price went, and then the rejection is a massive one. And of course, if I should get this type of rejection, it is too far from my stop loss. So as a person, I won't be making entry here, but the goal is to show you this is an engulfing candlestick pattern. And of course, you can see this rejection, and you see how it engulfs a numbers of candles, showing you the strength. Okay, when you get a massive candlestick like this, always wait for price to pull back to 50% of that candle, just as you can see here, in order to have a lesser stop loss, and then it plays out. Okay, here now you can see that we have this double pin bar. Okay, we have this double pin bar that are from this point of our trend line. You see, this is the first rejection, and then buyers came back again, make attempt to push price up, and sellers dominate, push the price back and close it as a bearish candle, which show us a bearish strength, the strength of sellers in this zone. And you can see now, remember I said when you get this signal, wait for a follow up candle. And looking at this other candle, I say your follow up candle should not close above or beyond the close of this candlestick. And you see that this particular follow up candle closes above it, so this will not be our entry. And of course you can see how price plays out and break out. Okay, then we need another 2 points for us to connect this trend line, and our point here is, in this case, this is our point A, right? And here is our point B, and here is our trend line being connected. So having connect our trend line, here is our first entry. I'm referring to this place. This is our first entry, and you can see the type of candlesticks that plays out here. Okay, you can see we have a pin bar. This is a hammer, and the color is not important, because here you want to see, okay, the color should be green. No, what matters is the understanding. It is a fight between the buyers and the sellers, and you can see that the sellers try to push price up, push price down. The buyers came in, they push price to the upside, and in the whole process the candle was closed as a bullish candlestick pattern. So this is a bullish pin bar, just so you can see how it plays out. Okay, seller try to push price down, but remember trend line always serve as a resistance, and then the buyers came in, push this price and close it as a bullish pin bar or a hammer, and you can see the move to the upside. Then here you see another harami pattern. So we will be looking forward for a bullish pin bar, a bearish pin bar, or an engulfing candlestick pattern. These are the two most valid and effective candlesticks when you want to trade your trend line strategy. Okay, I don't intend this video to be long, and I believe you are gaining value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I publish our next video. See you in the subsequent video.